Oracle, we are here to report a massive corruption.
Please sit down.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Any allegation of corruption, we take it very serious. Please, what are your observations?
Mr. Oracle, let me be frank with you. Because I'm very, very angry with this situation. These people are taking people's money without their consent. Millions of naira. And how do you want them to survive? This government, they be thief.
Which agency, and do you have any documentation to support this claim?
Yes, we have. The IROS. They call it taxation, but literally taking people's property under threat of imprisonment, which is wrong.
Oh,
God have mercy upon
But
us.
that is legal.
legal?
Yes.
But when you people do it, it's legal.
Yes.
But when we take from people, you send us to prison. Is that not wickedness?
Pure wickedness.
Oh, now you are getting it.
Sense no feeling. Well,